Did you know Snapchat might still be tracking your location? Here is how to turn it off fast and protect your privacy. First, open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then, hit the settings gear in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find See My Location under the Privacy Controls section. This is where Snapchat manages location services. Now, you'll see the option for Ghost Mode. Turn Ghost Mode on to hide your location completely from everyone. You can set it for 3 hours, 24 hours, or just keep it on until you decide to turn it off. If you don't want full Ghost Mode, you can also customize exactly who can see your location, whether it's just friends, a select group, or no one at all. But there is one more step. Go to your iPhone or Android settings, then press Location. Then on Services, select Snapchat and set it to Never or while using the app. This prevents Snapchat from tracking you in the background. And that's it. Now just restart Snapchat and restart your phone. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.